I don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to rumble. Dog's getting restless. Starts growling at the thunder. Yeah, that's gonna help. I'm not sure what time it is right now. What, 11 o'clock, something like that? 10:30 in the morning. I don't know if you can see it, but between the pine tree and the maple right here, right here, a couple of ducks. Thinking about putting a little tray out there just for giggles and stick some duck food out there, see if they'll stick around. There's Goldie. He can't get his fat butt underneath that thing right there. At least he doesn't think he can. He usually goes to the one right here, the other side of the pool. See right here. There it is. Patch is hanging around with me. Barking at Thor. The skinny cat just went through the door. I don't know if the lens is dirty. Hang on. I think it made it a little better. Still a little hazy though. Zoom back out. So it's a chilling kind of morning. Chilling. I'm just chilling. Waiting for the rains to break out of the skies. You guys hear the thunder? I don't know if it'll pick it up. The camera will pick it up. Hello! Like I said, I'm not sure what time it is, but I thought I felt one drop of rain, but I don't think I did. It's the 10th of June, 2020, the first double-digit day. It's going fast, guys. It's going fast. So I'll be working on the lawnmower today. Take the rear, or the front, one of the front wheels off. It's flat. Oh, I think I found another drop. Yep, I see the drops going into the pool. Oh yeah, let's see if you can see it. I mean, maybe 5 drops in a square surface area and for a minute. Now it's stopped again. Kind of looking forward to the rain. It's supposed to rain till I think it's like 8 o'clock tonight, and then clear up the rest of the week and weekend. How about that? John Shanks and I did go to the French Connection, the Frisian Connection, and we did manage to find Aska and Lucia, and we called them to us. They came to us. Lucia was nice enough to reach and get close enough for us to reach over the fence and pet her. Hopefully in a week or two they'll be both pregnant, and we'll have a couple babies in 11 months. 11 months and some days, I forget what it is, and it's usually pretty close to it. Pretty predictable. Come on, rain, hit. All right, this is the short little video. I'm of me chilling, not doing. Oh, I saw some lightning. Yeah, and I'm sitting on a steel chair. Ooh, that should be good. Not real smart, but hey. I didn't say I was Einstein. And I can hear Dave Taylor saying, yeah, you can say that again. Chill, Taylor. Chill. Dog's freaking out. Hey, Eddie and maintenance men, are you guys back to work yet? Asking for a friend named Dirk Haaf. What's it been, like 2 months now? Wow. Hope it starts up again. All right, guys, I'm gonna let the dog in. I had him out here contained in the pool area. I think he was ticked at me when I came back up. Although when he saw me, he got up and started looking for something for me to throw in the pool. But I don't want that to happen right now. He's dry. We get in the house. All right, Remy, let's go inside. Come on, buddy. Rem, come on, Rem. Hey. This thing here was on the bottom of the pool, by the way. That was crazy. It is a lazy day today, people. It's really muggy out. It's not real hot. It's like 88. Come on, big boy. Let's get in the house. Yeah. Doing his share of watering the grass. Come on, let's get inside. I got some food and water for you already, so you should be fine. You should be fine. Yeah, I got to replace the railings on these things here. I'm gonna power wash this thing and find a spot for the hose. Life is good. Ooh, it feels cool in here. Alright guys, that's it for right now. Actually, I can upload this video quickly since, oh, check this out. As usual, I stay on top of the dishes. Yeah, buddy. Alright, bye.